How to hold focus on the command line. What that basically means, if we go into the Mel right here, well, you can click here to change to Python, but we'll use Mel by clicking on here again. Sometimes when it's easier to write down quick code instead of like using a manipulator, depending on your context. So for example, it's easy for me to just write joint, which is a Mel command. You usually supposed to put a semicolon, but it will work without it. If you press enter, it'll create a joint. Now, the thing is, now let's say I want to go through the command and I want to precisely move this 10 units in the y-axis. The thing is now my focus is in the viewport. You see the white outline here. So if I were to start typing, like the word move, nothing happens because I'm in the viewport here. So if I would have to go back, select this again, go back into Mel and say move 0, 10, 0, semicolon. So move is a command in Mel, 0 on the x-axis, 10 on the y-axis, and 0 on the z-axis. The semicolon, if you press enter, it will move it up. Instead of me changing this myself, which you could still do. You could change this yourself or use a manipulator to change it. But sometimes it's easier to reuse a code. Now, the thing is, if I want to do this quickly, let me do a new scene. What you could do is, if you want to have a succession of commands in Mel without switching focus, you can go to options. So you either go to go to Windows, settings, preferences, or you can click down here. That will take you to time slider, but you want to go to interface. And if you go to command line, hold focus and choose save. Now, what I could do, notice if I press joint and I press enter, the blue focus will not leave. It stays in the Mel command. It did not switch to the viewport, which means I can continue typing and say move 0, 10, 0, enter. And it will move it like that.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.